Sunnybray. This is looking towards Stellarton. And behind me, we are looking towards Guysborough. This was the end of the line. The old tie. Still see some of the ties in place. Down around here. Lots of apples on the ground too. And if you look here, interesting shot, and straight in front of you the track picked up and continued, and looks like it followed the river. Lay a tie here. Yeah, take a look at this embutment. Very interesting, the construction on it. So basically right in front of me where this tree is where the line went. Basically where I'm at is where the tree is. Oh, I see. So basically, from what I can tell, is the line followed the river.
We're in Sunnybray. We're starting on the trail there. The trail starts at the road there, and we're headed towards Garden of Eden. The railbed is just to the right here. Seems to be, or perhaps it's the road.
Looks like a rail or something, like not a rail, like a railing.
Yeah, it's that stuff that they used to
Tie up the ties.
Yes.
Banding.
That was called strapping.
Strapping, yep, same thing. Here's some coal you guys missed. Or clinker. Ah, one of those thorny trees. Fun. Half round tie.
There was a date nail, it's not there.
Flip it over.
No, I think it's in the original position.
Now this here looks like it was all dumped in, filled in with riprap.
What the fuck's riprap?
Big rock.
Oh, rock.
Dump with the side dump ballast car.
Side dump ballast car.
If you guys look at how the grass has grown here and the dirt, you can tell that there were ties here.
Side dump ballast car old enough to run there?
Hey.
Oh yeah, some of the old stuff went way back.
I keep missing stuff.
Such as?
Tie plates.
Oh, cool.
See, it's a tie plate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well, it could have been that was a siding.
Yeah, it's true.
I know, maybe not.
Any interesting rocks?
There we go. Look what I found.
Tie.
Ah, that was his plan. Looks like it's... Whoa, that is a massive tie.
Yeah.
Look at this sucker. You won't find a tie like that on the railroads today.
So that must be like an Jesus.
Sorry.
Must be like an ancient tie or something.
I think it was cut.
But I know you can get them at craft shop.
Just found 4 spikes in a tie.
Nice.
This looks like it was part of a yard.
Well, I was just seeing that picture on the board. There was 3 or 4 track yards.
But this is really wide. It's wider than it should be for like a simple line.
Mm-hmm. I would say you're not looking at any more than 2 tracks here, guys.
Any more than what?
2. By the look of the land.
One on that side, where the trail is.
Yeah.
But who knows, right?
There's what's left of an old can.
Anybody want a spoon?
Old can.
What's it say on it? Snap, crackle, and pop.
Yeah, really.
I have no idea where the track is anymore. It does look like they're on the side of it. I don't know.
Mm.
What kind of rim is that?
It's a hubcap from a Pontiac. I would guess 80s.
Was it remote?
Nah. Just junk.
Some of the hubcaps are.
I don't know, I mean, you go by these old guys' houses and they've got, like, you know, a ton of them all over the outside of their garage.
You know, at my aunt's house, which is my grandfather grew up, and my great grandfather had some hubcaps in the garage. They're still there.
Dragon, why don't you just leave those right on the roadbed and then you can pick them up on the way back? We've got a double back.
Dragon taking the spikes that I found. Just get it out here.
Oh, there's one. There's the other. Now
There's 4, there's 6 or 8.
this road is all clinker, so.
I think this is a hang line with 2 sidings.
Yeah, or one. 1 or 2.
So this is awfully level for a... Oh, hell, I don't know.
Well, this is one of the stretches that's in better shape of this branch. Yep. More of a washout. That looks like it's dug.
Okay, look, yeah, it looks like it's coming in. So, yeah, I think we were on like some kind of passing siding or something. Unless this is part of it, I don't know. It definitely looks like we're in the general area.
This Railfan, you said that you figure CN's burnt the station.
I have no idea.
So they do that with a lot of stations?
Well, CN did
no.
knock a lot down.
Yeah.
I think it was set by some kid.
This looks like it was blasted.
It probably was.
Maybe like the Bridgewater fire. Unless that was burned by CN too.
Now this is completely different rock from what we were finding up on the Bay of Fundy the other day.
Yeah.
More of a purple.
Great.
Oh yeah, sure. Very scenic. Snowmobile trail number 501 for those that might be into that sort of thing.
Are a more in-depth Railfan explore. Yeah.
Because a number of those snowmobile trails were rail line throughout the province.
Oh, I don't know. That's quite a steep cut.
Yeah. I'm just wondering if that had been cut back.
Could have been.
Yeah, I'm thinking it was. Would have been.
It would have had to have been. Unless, it's hard to say, to be honest.
This would have been really nice to fly in that payday.
Well,
Just imagine 1009 puffing its way down here, because that engine did run on this line. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, that's a steam engine that's at the New Brunswick Railway Museum in Hillsborough, New Brunswick, about half an hour south of Moncton. It did work on this line in the 50s, before going to Montreal.
look at all that. That's nice right there. It's just a nice area.
All the trees falling down.
No, I'm trying to talk.
Erosion around here.
Well, next best thing.
The next. Yeah.
And I would love to put a speeder in somewhere in this province. Middleton is my first choice,
Why not back on this?
because that's DAR country, and DAR is close to my heart.
I think it's close to everybody's.
In Digby.
Yeah. Well, Middleton has the Railway Museum.
DAR has 2 simulators maps done for it. The Southwestern only has 1, so yeah, I'd say the DAR is more of a personal favorite for everybody.
Well, it's always been a more popular line than the Southwestern for whatever reason.
Well, the Southwestern has some nice scenery, don't it?
It does. But if you look back throughout the decades of, which line had more photographs, more books written.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? It's the DAR, hands down.
But even so, the Southwestern doesn't get as much credit as it deserves.
That's true. I agree.
So, at least, we go out and do this stuff, and we're trying to bring these lines back to life.
And this line here is pretty obscure as far as
There's some ties in there.
nice piece of quartz.
Oh yeah,
I'm gonna keep that one.
that's a nice little, good one. Oh yeah, this is a nice straight section right here. All right, we are
On the Sunny Bray Eden Road. The road of death. The road of no return.
That's so shaky that a Railfan's terrible driving. I get it. Yeah. I'm probably just gonna edit that all out anyway.
Music.
Yeah,
Or speed it up.
that would work.
Repair here.
The tree.
We haven't haven't seen a single vehicle or person.
Goes to show how much people come down this way.
I've seen vehicles earlier, further up, like back up the road.
Well, yeah, back at the houses, but we haven't had anybody, you know, we haven't passed anyone.
Old McDonald Road.
That's what I'm saying.
Wow, that's an old road. Okay. Oh yeah, there's a better road over there. That's a...
We're at the end of, what the heck is that?
McLaren, I think it is.
Yeah, McLaren Road. And that straight ahead there, across the Garden of Eden Lake, we're on the east side of Garden of Eden Lake, that's end of track. Somewhere over there.
I guess we're in Guysborough County now? Almost. Do it.
Yeah.
We're in Pictou County, okay.
I think we'll cross the county line when we like go up and then go back.
And we are also
South again.
To death.
No, we were just on the road of death. The crappy dirt road.
This is the road of death, the sequel.
Yeah, probably.
That barn doesn't have a whole lot of time left.
Barnington. It has the old style things on the top, lightning rods.
Yeah.
Here we are on the Guysborough County line. The old, this used to be what was supposed to be a rail line back in the 30s. Track was never put in, but it was one of those lines that was never actually a rail line, but the infrastructure was put in. I'll put a whole bunch of details. So no tracks were ever laid on this line. And, oh, I see. It doesn't look like... So right now we're on one of the abutments, which is probably down that way. So all that was really put in on this section was the, it was just the, shit.
Well, we finally found the rail line that was never built.
Telegraph poles or anything like that on this.
There's a small concrete culvert right here that we're on top of.
I thought we were able to see it better.
No, you won't see it when you're on it.
Oh.
No.
There's all this garbage you see.
Yeah.
The
We're headed towards Country Harbor.
road bed's on our left.
Somewhere.
Oh, it's just off to the left there, not too far in. And we are on route
Something or other. Melrose Country Harbor Road.
Yeah.
According to GPS. Get a shot of GPS.
There, that's where we are. The line is over there somewhere.
Yeah, it's not on the GPS. Not yet. Maybe one day when they turn it into a trail.
I'm recording. So here's a rail line. And now around the camera onto the other side. And that's looking towards Guysborough.
Now there's quite a dip there, so we're going to put in a trestle or something.
Looks like there was a bridge or something there. It says on the sign. So I'm not sure. So you can zoom in. Yeah, maybe. Might have been a truss.